Jinhyang, I'm going to college. Bye. June, wait for me. I have morning classes. I'm also coming with you. June, fine, Hobby. Let's go together. Jinhyang, I'm going to studio. I have recordings. Jimin, wait. I'm also coming. I have very important meeting with producer. Jimin, Yoongi Yang, come fast. We can't take a risk. We have to go as soon as possible. Jin Yang, I'm going to company. Are you coming with me or not? We have very important meeting with investors. Jin sat out. I wish I can come with you, but showed his hands and legs which were tied by thick rope. I can't move. You all go and save yourself. If I will survive, then we will meet soon. Otherwise, remember me in your prayers, said dramatically. With that, they all ran to the main gate, but for their surprise, it was locked from inside. After seeing the lock, their heart skipped a beat. Jimin, Junhyang, why did you stop? It's okay if you don't want to go, but at least move aside. Let us go. T. Yes, Hyang, move. I don't want to die in such an early age. I didn't even see anything in my life. Yoongi, what happened? Hobie and June, why aren't you moving? What happened? Hobie, Hyang, we can't go anywhere. Our death is confirmed. Yoongi, what rubbish are you talking about? Pushed him a little. Women, shocked. Lock! Yoongi, mad. Who the hell locked the door? Who doesn't want to live more? June, or else could be other than that double bunny. Jimin, I'm gonna jump from the balcony. I can't face him. T, I'm gonna stick with the wall and give the company to Lizard. Yoongi, I'm going to lock myself in the storeroom. Hobie, guys, calm down. We don't need to worry. We have Kim Nam Joon. He will protect us. June, Hobie, I think you lost your mind somewhere. Here I can't protect myself and you are saying to protect you all. Hobie, June, remember your powers. You aren't a normal person. You are the god of destruction. Now use your powers and break this lock. Yoongi, correct. June, this is the right time to use your powers. T. Junhyang, please break the lock fast. That double bunny will tie us too, just like Jinhyang. Jimin, Hyang, but please be careful. If you break the door, then Jinhyang will eat you alive. June, what rubbish are you talking? I'm not gonna break this lock. Arthur, let me tell you who is Double Bunny. From him, all of them are this much scared and why. But first, let me give you all their introduction. Name Kim Shikojin, age 29 years, profession managing director in his company, eldest son of Kim family, super cute and caring. Name Kim Yoongi, age 28 years, profession music producer, second eldest son of Kim family, super cute and caring but sometimes scary as well as. Name Kim Ho-suk, age 27 years, profession dance teacher at college, third son of Kim family, super cute and caring. Name Kim Namjoon, age 26 years, twin of Hobie, profession professor at college, fourth son of Kim family, sometimes cute, sometimes scary. Name Kim Jimin, age 25 years, profession singer, eldest magnate of Kim family, cute, caring and funny. Name Kim Taeyang, age 25 years, twin of Jimin, profession CEO at their company, second magnate of Kim family, cute, caring, funny and over dramatic. Name Kim Jongkook, age 24 years, profession surgeon, youngest magnate of Kim family, super strict and scary towards their young's health. After seeing the lock, they all head back to the living room while hanging their head low. Jin looked at them. What happened? Why did you all come back? T sat out. There is a big lock on the main gate. Jimin, Hyang, I'm going to jump from the balcony. Yoongi, yeah, jump. That double bunny will not leave you, and if by chance you hurt yourself, then you have to obey him at least for 1 month. Jimin immediately sit near him. No, I'm fine here. I don't want to jump. I can't bear him for 1 day, and you are saying to obey him for 1 whole month. Jinhyang, let me untie you. Hobie, leave it, June. If that double bunny knows, then he will tie us till the death. T, aren't we his Yangs? So why do we escape from him? We should be scold him. Yoongi Yang, call him here and scold him harshly. Yoongi, shocked. What? But why only me? T, because you are our Yang. You should scold him on behalf of us. Yoongi, by this logic, Jin Yang is our eldest Yang. He should scold him. Jin showed him his tied hands and legs. Do you still think I can scold him? Jimin, so that means we have to listen to him always? Hobie, well, we don't have any other choice rather than obeying him. June, but I don't understand one thing. Why did he tie Jin Yang and when? Yoongi, only Yang tell us this. Jin, I thought I will leave the house before he wakes up, but for my bad luck, when I was going outside, he was coming inside and we bumped. I didn't know he went outside at night. He understood that I am trying to escape from here, so he tied my hands and legs and made me sit here. From then, I'm here. Oh, this is cruelty, Hang. Jimin, yeah, he shouldn't tie Hang's hands and legs. Oh no, Jimin, I'm not talking about it. Jimin, confused. Then, Jin Yang shouldn't go outside alone. He should take me too. After all, I am his baby brother. It's cruelty to leave me here alone. Jimin hit on his forehead. What a meanie brother you are. Rubbed his forehead. Why do you always hit me? Hobie, shut up. It's not a time of bickering. We should find a way to escape from him. Yoongi, we are doomed now. We can't do anything, no matter how much plan we made against him, but he always thinks one step ahead of us. Jimin, I don't understand. Why did he choose to become a doctor out of thousands of professions? Jin, it's all happened because of this Kim Nam Joon. Joon wins. Yang, why do you always blame me for everything? If he become a doctor, then it's not my fault, na? Why are you blaming me? Jin, shut up. It's all your fault. Because of your intelligent genes, he became a doctor, and that too in such an early age. He cleared all the exams in first attempt with highest marks. Yoongi, I agreed with you, Yang. Jimin, me too. Me 3. Hobie, me 4. You are the reason of our sufferings. If you didn't teach him for his exams, then he probably couldn't be a doctor. So it's all your fault. June, you all can't blame me like this. I taught T and Jimin too, but they didn't become a doctor. Jimin, because I wanna become a singer. T, and you didn't teach me well. I cleared my management exam after 3 attempts. Big angry pout. June, because you are a dumb. T wins. Yoongi Yang, see, he called your baby brother as dumb. Look like you all are very happy and excited for Evil Smith. Everyone looked at him and got scared to see his hand. Everyone shouts, no, please not this. Cook, where are your hands? Cook, put the tray on the center table. You are my hands, that's why I care for you. Hobie, scared. You shouldn't need to poke the needles on us just to show your care. Cook, Yang, it's just an immunity booster. It won't hurt that much. T, you always said this, but it hurts like a hell. Cook, don't be over dramatic, T, Yang. Jin, Cookie, baby untie Yangi na. Cook looked at him. Not now, Yangi. Now everyone quickly up your sleeves and women Yang, lose your pants. Yoongi, Cook, I have an important meeting with the producers, so I will take it tonight, okay? June, I have to take test of my students, so definitely I can't take it now. Jimin, I have to record a song and in pain I can't record it. Hobby, I have to prepare my students for the competition. After taking the injections, I can't move my muscles. T, and I have very important meeting with investors. After taking the injection, I can't sit properly. Then how will I do meeting? Jin thinks hard for the excuse because everyone already gave his excuses. I I have to prepare lunch for everyone. Cook with certain face. Are you done with your excuses? For your kind information, I already checked your schedules and none of you have any important meeting or other things to do. So now stop complaining and let me do my work. Otherwise, I will forcefully inject you, then it will hurt more. Jin, and what about me? I have a genuine reason. I have to cook for you all. Cook, seriously, you are behaving like a kid. Even nowadays, kids take the injection without throwing any tantrums. He gave injection to young lion on their upper arm and women on their back and forcefully made them drink juice too. Then finally untied Jin's hands and legs. After that left to his hospital. Time skipped at the hospital. He reached at the hospital and his assistant told him about his today's schedule. He had lined up surgeries today. His senior surgeon went out of the town, so he has to manage his surgeries too. Being a surgeon, he couldn't get time to take care of himself. His all the schedule got disturbed. He couldn't eat his meal on the time and couldn't get enough sleep too. Well, it's normal in medical field. But doctors are human too. They also need some rest to relax their mind and body, which Cook didn't give. He was working non-stop, God knows from how many days, which affects his body. He needs rest, but still he is working. He doesn't listen to his body. He was coming back from the operation theater after completing a surgery. He was successful, but very tiring too, as it went almost 4 hours. He didn't eat anything since the yesterday afternoon. He has back to back surgeries, so he couldn't get time. In the morning, too, he drank his Hyang's juices but didn't drink himself. After coming to hospital, he got busy in his surgeries and taking care of other patients. He totally neglected his health. When he was going to his cabin, he started feeling dizzy due to dehydration and lack of sleep. His left arm fell on the scalpel surgical blade, which was prepared by another surgery. His arm started bleeding as his scalps are very sharp. He picked the cotton and bandage. He informed a nurse to not use this scalpel for the surgery and went to his cabin. He roughly bandaged his arm while cursing on his stupidity. He didn't clean his wounds because he doesn't have time for it. Even after knowing how risky it could be, he totally ignored it and again get back to his work. Time skipped in the evening. Hobie and June were returning back to their home. They worked in the same college, so they shared a car. When they were parking the car, they saw Cook's car was already parked there. They became shocked to see this because Cook never come home this early. They parked their car and stepped outside. June, from where sunrise today? How did he come home early? Hobie, maybe he got a call from Jin Hyang. June, let's go inside and check. They were going to inside the house, but Hobie saw something in Cook's car, so he called June and said, Hobie, June, come here. I think something is inside the car. June, really? Wait, let me check. Placed his face closer to the window and trying to see inside the car. Hobie, did you see anything? June smiled. Arpan is sleeping peacefully on the steering wheel. Hobie, what? Can't he do anything normal? June, doing normal things aren't in our blood, Hobie. Hobby, wait, let me bring his car's key, then take him inside because I know he won't wake up easily. June. Soon Hobby brought the spare key of Cook's car and took him inside the house. He was already passed out, but everyone thinks he's sleeping. Jimin hugged Hobby tightly. Yang, you came late. You know we are waiting for you. Hobby hugged him back. We came early, but this cute bunny stopped us outside. Point on Cook, who was carried by June. T panicked. OMG, what happened to him? Why are you carrying him, Yang? Did anything happen to him? And why is he silent? Hearing his shouts, Jin ran to living room and saw June, who was carrying Cook. Jin panicked. June, what happened to him? Hobby, calm down, Yang. Nothing happened to him. He's perfectly fit and fine. Yoongi crossed arm. Oh really? Then why is June carrying him and why doesn't he say anything? June, because he is in deep sleep, Yang. Deep sleep? Jimin, but from where you got him, Yang? Hobby, when we parked our car, we saw his car, and when June looked inside the car, he found him sleeping on the steering wheel, so we took him inside. Yoongi, he must be very tired. Come, take him to his room. Everyone came inside the room along with June and Cook. June put him on the bed, Jin lay down beside him, and Hobby covered him with the duvet. Jin, while stroking his hairs, our little baby always take care of us and forget about himself. Yoongi, you are right, Yang. Just look at his face, it's all pale. It looks like someone sucks his all the blood. Jimin worried. June Yang, did you hurt yourself? June looked at him with confused eyes. No, but why did you ask? Jimin, because there were blood stains on your shirt. Now everyone looked at June with concerned eyes. They didn't notice Cook's injury because he was wearing black shirt and in black clothes you can't see blood. Hobby, there wasn't any blood when we parked the car. June, after that I picked Cook and took him inside. Jimin, that means Cook is injured? Jin quickly but gently removed his shirt and grabs to see the bandage which was fully drenched in blood. Yoongi quickly called the doctor. They didn't remove the bandage because they were waiting for the doctor. Jin carefully cleaned the blood near the bandage. Soon doctor came and treated Cook and informed his Yangs about his carelessness. They all became very angry but decided to calm down themselves and talk with him after he fully recovered. Time skipped after 15 days. It took 15 days to recover him fully. In 15 days, Yangs took care of him and pampered him like a small baby, which obviously he is. Right now, he is standing in front of everyone and Yoongi was giving him lecture over his carelessness. Yoongi, super mad. Are you listening to me, Cook? Cook looked down. Yes, Yang, I'm listening everything. Sorry. Jin, Cookie, we aren't saying you're wrong. You aren't completely wrong at your place. We understood your work. We knew you couldn't get enough time. But baby, you have to understand, if you will be healthy, only then you will take care of us and other patients. You should take care of yourself. You are a surgeon. Do I need to remind you how risky it could be, your carelessness? Cook looked down and shook his head vigorously. No, Yang, I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. I will take care of myself too. Evil smirked. You did mistake. Now you have to bear the consequence too. Now come and lay on my lap. Requested punishment. I don't know why you all obsessed with spankings and that too where it's very uncomfortable to write. Cook widened eyes. No, I'm too old to get spankings. Raised his one eyebrow. Do you want me to increase your punishment? Cook, no. Then quickly lay down on my lap. Cook, fine, I will take it, but not from you. I will take it by Jimin Yang or Hubie Yang. Tea, no, only I can spank you because everyone feel mercy on you and you don't deserve it. Coco stomped his feet and lit on Tea's lap. Tea gave him pair spanking, still 30. After that, he comforts him too. Don't neglect your health. Remember this, if you will be healthy, only then you can take care of others. So don't be careless. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. It was requested one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. First, tell me, why are you obsessed with spankings and that too, Bear? There are so many methods to punish others, but why do you love spankings? Don't request me, okay? Just for your happiness, I wrote it. I'm trying to make videos on everyone's request, so please cooperate with me and give me some time. We will meet soon with new one shot. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.